stands 5 feet and 7 inches tall. She measures 34, 24, 36, representing Naga City. Miss Bicolandia 13, Antela Carla Abay, 25, stands 5'6" and 6 inches tall. She measures 33, 26, 36, representing Tinambak, Camarines Sur. Miss Bicolandia 14, Sharon Carmen Raymundo, 20, stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. She measures 34, 25, 36, representing Daet Camarines Norte. Miss Bicolandia 15, Trisha Georgia Aganan, 25, stands 5 feet and 5 inches tall. She measures 35, 24, 37, representing Camarines Sur. Miss Bicolandia 16, Hannah May Panibe, 25, stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall. She measures 33, 24, 35, representing Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Miss Bicolandia 17, Precious Joselle Martel, 23, stands 5 feet and 4 inches tall. She measures 29, 24, 33, representing Province of Masbate.
have it, ladies and gentlemen. That concludes our swimsuit presentation. Another round of applause for our ladies and the beautiful Miss Rima Atacadin, Miss Bicolandia 2022. Now, it's time to give out several special and corporate awards to our candidates for tonight. These corporate awards, however, will not determine in any way in selecting our 10 finalists and winners. Yeah, let's begin with Miss Motor Trade. Miss Motor Trade is Sino? Who's your best? Two? Miss Motor Trade is candidate number 1. Let's move on to the second corporate award. The second corporate award is going to be Miss Summit Naga. Miss Summit Naga is Sino? Candidate number 10. Our third corporate award is Miss Coca-Cola Body Dynamic. Our Miss Coca-Cola Body Dynamic is candidate number 17.
Miss Bicolandia 17, Precious Joselle Mortel.
Our next corporate award is Miss LCC Essentials. Miss LCC Essentials is candidate number 1.
Miss Bicolandia 1, Alexandra Krishna Urino.
Our next corporate award is Miss Ionique. Miss Ionique is candidate number 13.
Miss Bicolandia 13, Angela Carla Abay.
Last but not least, our last corporate award is Binibining Mark Cafe. Our award goes to candidate number 17.
Miss Bicolandia 17, Precious Joselle Mortel.
All right. Congratulations, ladies.
Congratulations, ladies, and let us move on to our traditional pageant citation, starting off with the best in production number. She will receive 10,000 pesos in cash and a sash. Best in production number is candidate number 10, Shaina Rabaca from Buhi Camarines Sur. Our next special award is chosen by the candidates themselves. To receive 10,000 pesos in cash and a sash, Miss Congeniality is candidate number 14, Jaren Carmen Raimundo from Daet Camarines Sur. And finally, to the ladies that showed a near perfect form and figure to receive 10,000 pesos in cash and a sash, the best in swimsuit goes to candidate number 15, Miss Trisha Georgia Angana from Camarines Sur.
To award Miss Motor Trade, we have the presenters, Mr. Dexter Dumas, Cluster Head, Miss Glenda Bilyeza, Cluster Head. To award Miss Summit Naga, the presenters are Miss Jennifer Zafra, General Manager, Summit Hotel Naga. To award Miss Coca-Cola Body Dynamic, the presenters are Mr. Christian Torres Cisguera, Regional Sales Manager for Bicol, and Servano, Logistics Manager, Coca-Cola Beverages, Philippines Incorporated. To award Miss LCC Essentials, the presenters are Mr. R.V. Baliktar, Senior Marketing Officer, Miss Jennifer Bungao, Assistant Marketing Manager. To award Miss Ayanic, the presenters are Mr. and Mrs. Evan and Charmaine Ubias. To award Binibining Mark Cafe, the presenters are Mr. Bong and Mrs. Joanne Villacruz. To award the Best in Production Number, Mr. Ferdinand Shah, Executive Committee Member, Sangguniang Kabataan President, Honorable Mary Kyle Francine Tripulca. To award Miss Congeniality, our City Councilor, Honorable Vidal P. Castillo. Liga ng mga Barangay President, Honorable Maria Corazon M. Peñaflor. To award the Best in Swimsuit, Mr. Tote Rucha and Ms. Rai Rentoy, Executive Committee Member.
Congratulations to the winners of the first set of special awards, and thank you to the rest of the ladies. Let us give them some time to prepare for the next round. With the hard work and leadership of Mayor Nelson Ligacion, Naga City is now the Bicol Region's center of promising trade, commerce, and tourism. Naga City is also known for economic growth and Luzon's eastern backdoor to the rest of the Philippines, particularly the Visayas and Mindanao. And to know more about Naga City, let us all watch this.
Kasaysayan, aloy ng panahon, ikaw pinangalan sa kahoy na mapusugon. Naging puso kang kabikulan, banwaan na nasasanginan, mga angat kang itinalikulan. Ipinta kasiko sa kagamsan, mga palaog kagalalan, sarog na pusog, masulog na salog, marambong nakapag-iputan. Naga na, uswag pa, mangenod sa pagbabago. Naga na, uswag pa, magayon na siyudad ko. Naga na, uswag pa, di pag-uulyo sa kinaman, sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw, mamumuglang sa kasaysayan, haloy ng panahon, ika pinangaran sa kahoy na mapusuon, ngunyan ika ang staran. Banwaan na nasasaligan, mga angat na ay tinalikudan. Ipagsasambitan sa iman magduman, ikukuraw ko sa kagagsan. Kitang mga nagenyo, maurag na Bicolano, marhay ng mga tao. Naganak, uswag pa, Manginong sa pagbabago. Naganak, uswag pa, magayon na siyudad ko. Naganak, uswag pa, ibang umulyo sa kinaman, sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw, mamumutan sa kung pag-iikutan, sa man magduman, ikukuraw ko sa kagabsan. Kitang mga nagenyong matitibay Bicolano, makukuran ng mga tao. Naganak, uswag pa, manginom sa pagbabago. Naganak, uswag pa, magayon na siyudad ko. Naganak, uswag pa, ibang umulyo sa kinaban, sa gabos na panahon. Ikaw, mamumutan.
The Peña Franja Festival Civic Events is brought to you by the City Government of Naga, headed by Mayor Nelson S. Ligacion and Vice Mayor Nelly Diasis. Platinum sponsors: Butter Tray, Summit Hotel, official residence of Miss Bicolanda 2023, and Santero Residences Naga by Vista Estates. Sapphire sponsors: Coca-Cola, San Miguel Brewery, Suzuki Philippines Incorporated, South Star Drug, Deca Homes, Uma Residences, Futura by Philinvest, and Robinsons Naga. Pearl sponsors: Development Bank of the Philippines, Ver1 Rev Enterprises, Ionic Mineral Drops, LCC Mall, Quantrix, Caramel Bake Shop, Philworks Construction and Supply, and Mark Cafe. Ruby sponsors: Jollibee, SM City Naga, Pepsi Cola, Mang Inasal, Nature Spring, Villa Caceres Hotel, Carl's Catering, Chowking, Land Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, PhilHealth, Ginebra San Miguel, Hotel Sogo, PLDT, Biggs, and DLTB Co., the official transport service of Miss Bicolanda 2023. Patrons: Dermis Incorporated, Nagaland Development Corporation, Mega Fishing Corporation, Moraville Gardens, Yellow Cow, Bonaire Marketing Corporation, Palawan Pawn Shop, and Palawan Express Pera Padala, Security Bank, That's Entertainment, and Dave Risoko, Plastic and Aesthetics. Meals, accommodation, and travel sponsors of Miss Bicolandia. Champagne Garden, Carl's Catering, Coconuts, Bicolano Resto, The Avenue Plaza Hotel, Jollibee Magsaysay, Antigua Restaurant, Bob Marlin Restaurant, Chef Noyes, Richard Cafe, Caramel Bake Shop Pili, Ron's Grilled Tuna and Sashimi, Pizza House, Biggs Robinsons, Kamsur Viaje, Sundays Dormitel, Villa Rosita Hotel, Liton Hotel by Carterson, Itlog, Mayon Avenue, Brent's Peak Catering, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Corporate Sponsors, University of Nueva Cáceres, the official tabulator of Miss Bicolanda 2023.
Okay, take two. Naga na! Congratulations to Mayor Legacion and entire city of Naga. I will definitely be back and explore Naga City. So with me right now, we have the famous fashion designer and beauty maker, Mama Rene Salud. So Mama, how do you assess this batch of Miss Bicolandia candidates?
What can I say? But congratulations to Jojo. You did a very good job. before I go on with my answer, I'd like to say thank you, Mayor, for having us here. And of course, to the people of Bicolanchi, of Bicol. I've been here since the 60s, and until now I am here with you. That's how I love you all. Yes, I love you, Bicol, and I love your Pinangat. Yeah, to assess the program, it's fast-paced, and the program first. It's very fast-paced, very now, very new. It's not the usual beauty contest before. So there's a big change. And the candidates, I'm so surprised. They're international caliber. They have, would you like me to tell you who would the winner be? No, I'm just kidding.
Mama, may follow-up question pa. Ang dami eh. So if there's a lady who aspires to become a candidate for any national beauty pageant, what piece of advice will you give to her?
Well, this has been told or advised to anyone who are aspiring to be international beauties. Just be yourself. Do not project a person who is not you. And never ever change your face. I know that turok dito, turok doon, it works a lot, pero not to the extent of changing your face. So be it. Be more natural like me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mama Rene. And we are also extremely thankful to have the executive member of Binibining Pilipinas, Fashion Director, Derek Raymond Villanueva. Hi! Derek, have you seen any potential among our candidates tonight for Binibining Pilipinas? And any words of advice to them?
You know, everyone, thank you again for having us here. And it's really a pleasure to be always part of pageant that is in the local scene. And in Binibini kasi, we always have a say, once a Binibini, always a Binibini. So whether you come in, if you don't make it, you're always a Binibini. And for all the girls here, we saw them up close kanina. Ang sasabihin ko talaga, lahat talaga may chance. First, we were agreeing with Renee and with Faith na grabe ang question and answer namin. We just realized, I think the brains of the Philippines is right here in the Bicol place. I'm not kidding, lahat sila master degree. I'm taking up law. Ang ganda. So I guess that answers the question. I think the potential in every candidate really comes from within. Diba? Kung galing talaga sa loob, I always say, ang magandang babae is both inner and outer beauty. Equals true beauty.
Very well said. Corona natin. And here with me is my Reyna ng Aliwan sister. And I'm happy to see another Binibini here. Our first Miss Aura International 2021. Of course, Mama.
Well, aside from Miss Aura, we are both the endorser of MX3.
So, since you have been here before, competing and even representing the Philippines, what can you say to our candidates?
First of all, good evening, everyone. You know, before I went here, I was really excited because it's my first time to judge a pageant here in Bicol region. So I was really amazed this morning to see all the ladies. They are very eloquent. They are very beautiful inside and out, even without makeup on. They are really beautiful. So like what they said, like Mama Rene, they are really like for national and international pageant. And I am really proud of them just by being a candidate here. So what more if they will represent the region and they will represent the Philippines in the future.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Mama Rene, Derek, and Faith. Thank you so much. You can now go back and relax and I will work. Okay, work tayo. Again, thank you, judges, for your valuable inputs and words of advice to our candidates. We will go straight to the most glamorous part of the evening. Wearing exquisite creations by our local designers. Here Here are the 7 official candidates in the 2023 Miss Bicolandia Evening Gown Presentation.
If someone told me that the world would end tonight, you could take all that I got for once, I wouldn't start a fight. You could have my liquor, take my dinner, take my fun, my birthday cake, my soul, my dog, take everything I love. But oh, one thing I'm never gonna do is throw away my dancing shoes. And oh Lord, don't try me, really not tonight. I'll lay down and die, I'll scream and I'll cry. We've already wasted the time. I'm never gonna not dance again. I'm never gonna not dance again. Oh, I just wanna open up to my records, take off all my clothes. Never gonna not dance again. One thing I'm never gonna do is throw away my dancing shoes. And oh Lord, don't try me
Miss
really.
Bicolandia 1, Alexandra Krishna Uribe. Designer, Jerome Villanueva.
I'm never gonna not dance again. Oh, I just wanna open up to my records, take off all my clothes. Never gonna not dance again.
Miss Bicolandia 2, Isandra Feline Gorobay. Designer, Joray Ivano. Miss Bicolandia 3, Rani Lachmi Dado. Designer, Chan Abalia. Miss Bicolandia 4, Chileni Maurice Balansin. Designer, Aga Reñon.
I'm never gonna not dance again. I'm never gonna not dance again. Oh, I just wanna open up to my records, take off all my clothes. Never gonna not dance
Miss
again.
Bicolandia 5, Angela Joven Bolyarca. Designer, Alberto Caubang. Miss Bicolandia 6, Iris Oresca. Designer, Jerome Villanueva.
One thing I'm never gonna do is throw away my dancing shoes. And oh Lord, don't try me, really not tonight. I'll lay down and die, I'll scream and I'll cry.
Miss Bicolandia 7, Mary Venus Ojamar. Designer, Chan Abelia.
Again. Oh, I just wanna open up to my records, take off all my clothes. Never gonna not dance again.
Miss Bicolandia Bicolandia 8, Sandeep Khaled. Designer, Polly Lagyag. Miss Bicolandia 9, Rainsford Crisette Ranera. Designer, Marjan Leoncito. Miss Bicolandia 10, Shaina Ong Rabakal. Designer, Kelvin Fiel Sumalabe.
Have I done my best here, or will I be here next year, or are these my best years yet? Was looking forward to being important, but I'm not important yet. If you put this scene on a movie screen, is it
Miss Bicolandia 11, Anika Jade Alday. Designer, Christian Gong.
Can we skip to the good part?
Miss Bicolandia 12, Reina Lynn Praverosa. Designer, John Francis Hermojeno. Miss Bicolandia 13, Ansela Carla Abay. Designer, RJ Sandrino. Miss Bicolandia 14, Jared Carmi Raymundo. Designer, Aga Reñon.
Have I done my best here, or will I be here next year, or are these my best years yet? Was looking forward to
Miss Bicolandia 15, Trisha Georgia Aganan. Designer, Ruel Velasco.
on a movie screen. Is it cold or happy end? If the word gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. Can we skip to the good part?
Miss Bicolandia 16, Hannah May Panibe. Designer, Jean Benedict Choson. Miss Bicolandia 17, Precious Joselle Mortel. Designer, Chan Abelia.
Have I done my best here, or will I be here next year, or are these my best years yet? Was looking forward to being important, but I'm not important yet. If you put this scene on a movie screen, is it cold or happy end? If the world gets me where I'm supposed to be, will I know I've made it then? It's so hard. Can we skip to the good part?
To serenade our Miss Bicolandia 2023 candidates, please welcome GMA Sparkle Talent, Mr. Michael Sager.
Good evening, Bicol! Araw-araw, ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko. O aking iliw, di pa din ako makapaniwala na ang dati kong pangarap ay katotohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang natapusan. Para sa'yo ako'y matapang, para sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang natapusan. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sila. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Minu-minuto naghihintay ng tawag mo, marinig lang boses mo. Masaya at kontento na ako, wala nang iba pang hahanapin. Basta't ikaw ang aking kapiling, lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon, basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang natapusan. Dahil sa'yo merong pangarap, para sa'yo ako'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sila. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Pinagdarasal ko na sobrang nasanay, tanggapin mo aking inaalay. Napasasalamat sa pagliliwanag na buhay ko na to, na dati-dati ganito nakaligaya mo. Tanggapin ang regalo, mga rosa sa tsoko, may liwanag din ang buhay mo pag nilabas ko na ang puso ko. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na haharapin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sila. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang natapusan. Dahil sa'yo merong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y sapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sila. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Thank you, everybody.
That concludes our evening gown presentations. Bicol! Buhay pa ba kayo? Alright, thank Thank you, Michael Sager, for serenading our candidates for tonight. A round of applause, please, for our ladies. All right. Now moving on to the next segment, it's now again time to give out our second and last batch of corporate awards. All right. Our first award is going to be Miss Moraville. It will include 10,000 pesos cash and sash. Miss Moraville is candidate number candidate number 12.
Miss Picolandia 12, Reina Lynn Properosa.
Our next corporate award is going to be Miss Santera. It will include 10,000 pesos in cash and sash. Miss Santera goes to candidate number... What did you guys say? Ano sinabi niyo? Kayo. I'm seeing some nines over there. Candidate number 1!
Miss Picolandia 1, Alexandra Krishna Urino.
All right. Our next award is going to be Miss Dave Resoco, Plastic and Aesthetics. And it will also include 10,000 pesos in cash and sash. Miss Dave Resoco, Plastic and Aesthetic goes to candidate number 2.
Miss Picolandia 2, Isandra Pelin Gorobat.
Our next corporate award is going to be Miss Robinsons. All right. It also includes 10,000 pesos in cash and in sash. Miss Robinsons goes to candidate number 4.
Miss Picolandia 4, Shailani Maurice Balansin.
Our next award is going to be Miss Futura. Also includes 10,000 pesos cash and sash. Miss Futura goes to candidate number 12.
Miss Picolandia 12, Reina Lynn Properosa.
Our last award is going to be Miss Entertainment. Kaya our Miss Entertainment goes to candidate number 15.
Miss Picolandia 15, Trisha Georgia Aganan.
Congratulations, ladies.
And now let us move on with the traditional pageant special awards. Beginning with the darling of the press. She was chosen last August 31 during the press presentation held at Moraville The Garden by the members of the local media who covered the event. She will receive 100,000 pesos in cash and a sash. And she's none other than candidate number 15, Miss Georgia Agana from Camarines Sur.
Grabe yung crowd natin dito.
Hey.
Woo!
All right, next up is Miss Photogenic. She will receive another 10,000 cash and a sash. And the most picture perfect of them all is candidate number, I can't hear you. Candidate number 12, Miss Reina And the next award is the Best in Evening Gown. And we have, okay, she will receive 10,000 pesos and a sash. And she is candidate number... Sino? Louder!
Guys, best in evening gown to. Sino yung best in evening gown?
Candidate number 12, Miss Reynalyn Proferosa from Naga City. Alright, we recognize the lady, but now it's time to recognize the maker of the evening gown. The Best Designer Award. The gowns that the candidates are wearing right now was judged last September 2 before the preliminary competition held at the Robinson's Place. Our judges based their decision following this sets of criteria. Execution and design, 40%. Uniqueness of design, 40%. Overall impact, 20%. For a total of 100%. And our best designer is Roel Velasco, candidate number 15. Congratulations to all the winners.
Indeed.
To award, ladies and gentlemen, the presenters, Miss Moraville, Mr. and Mrs. Nathan Morano. To award Miss Santera, the presenters are Miss Shenaline Diaz, Sales Head of Camellia South Luzon, Eliza Salcedo, Santera Naga Marketing Team Leader. To award Miss Futura Monte, the presenters are Mr. Roel R. Fernandez, Branch Manager, Brian Paul Reyes, Marketing Support for PhilInvest South Luzon Projects. To award Miss Robinsons, the presenters are Miss Cristina Francia Galang Dakiwag, Mall Manager, Miss Marie Claria Cortez, Assistant Marketing Manager. To award Miss Futura Monte, we have Mr. Roel R. Fernandez, Branch Manager, Brian Paul Reyes, Marketing Support for PhilInvest South Luzon Project. To award Miss Entertainment, the presenters are Miss Deli Alfilor Tibe and Miss Lian Zaniga Montemayor. To award Darling of the Press, presenters Mr. Roy San Ramon, President Naga City Press Corporation, and Miss Maria Fe Mariscal, President KBP Camarines Sur Chapter. To award the Miss Photogenic, the presenters are Honorable Hilda Gail Abunal Gomez, City Councilor, Honorable Attorney Armin Alain Gomez. To award Best in Evening Gown, Honorable Salvador M. Del Castillo, City Councilor, and Meryl Del Castillo. To award the Best Designer for Evening Gown, presenter Honorable Antonio B. Beltran, City Councilor, and Mrs. Catherine Beltran. To award Miss Dave Risoko Aesthetics, we have Dr. Dave Rasuko.
Congratulations to all our special awards, and thank you to all the other ladies. All right, before we announce our top 10 finalists, we again thank and acknowledge our valuable sponsors and benefactors of Miss Bicolandia 2022. For without them, this event would not have been a success. For our sponsors, is going to be the platinum sponsors are
The Peña Franja Festival Civic Events is brought to you by
Motor Trade, Summit Hotel, official residence of Miss Bicolandia candidates, Santera Residences by Vista Estates, Sapphire sponsors, Coca-Cola Beverages Philippines Incorporated, San Miguel Brewery, Suzuki Philippines Incorporated, South Star Drug, Deca Homes Uma Residences, Robinson's Naga, Futura Monte by Philinvest. And then moving on to our Pearl sponsors, Development Bank of the Philippines, Ver1 Rev Enterprises, Ionic Mineral Drops, LCC Mall, Quantrix, Caramel Bake Shop, Philworks Construction and Supply, Mark Cafe. And then moving on to our Ruby sponsors, starting off with Jollibee, SM City Naga, Pepsi Cola, Mang Inasal, Nature Spring, Villa Caceres Hotel, Carl's Catering, Chow King, Land Bank of the Philippines, Lotus Blue Hotel, residence of Miss Bicolandia judges, Phil Health, Ginebra San Miguel, Hotel Sogo, PLDT, Biggs, Del Monte Land Transport Bus Company, Miss Bicolandia Official Transport Service.
And our Patreon sponsors are the Hermesi Incorporated. We also have Nagaland Development Corporation, Mega Fishing Corporation, Moraville The Gardens, Yellow Cab, Palawan Express Pera Padala, Security Bank, Bonner Marketing, That's Entertainment, Dave Resoco Plastic and Aesthetics. For our meal sponsors, we have Champagne Garden, Coconuts Bicolano Resto, Avenue Plaza Hotel, Jollibee Magsaysay, Antigua Restaurant, Bob Marlin Restaurant, Chef Doyce, Richard Cafe, Caramel Bake Shop Pili, Ron's Grill Tuna and Sashimi, Pizza House, Biggs Robinsons. And for our tour package sponsor, we have Kamsur Viaje. For our pageant handlers accommodation partners, we have Villa Rosita Hotel and Sundays Hotel. Our donors are Liton Hotel by Carterson, Itlog, Friends P Catering, and Nagap College Foundation. And our official tabulator, we have University of Nueva Cáceres.
Thank you very much for all of our sponsors. All right. All right, moving on. This is going to be my favorite part of the pageant. We now come to one of the most important decisions of the night. The announcement of our top 10 semifinalists who will continue on with the competition. Here's how it goes. We will reveal canvas photo of the semifinalist and the LED wall right here behind me. Whoever she is, she will go straight to answer a very casual question for 30 seconds. And then after we finish revealing the top 10, they will deliver a 30-second speech about her values, culture, social issues, and advocacy. Each finalist are evaluated based on her beauty, poise, intelligence, personality, and the content of her speech. Good luck, ladies. And in random order, first on the list is candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, ladies and gentlemen, our first. How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing great.
Oh my gosh, you're the first one I call. How do you feel?
Well, honestly,
because this still is a dream to me that I'm standing here in front of the Miss Bicolandia stage and it just doesn't seem real yet.
Wow, awesome. That's true. That's true. Soak it all in. But without any further ado, let us move on to our question. All right? As long as you get a paper right here, and I will read it for you. Are you ready? Here is the question. Sound system. This is your question. With all the cosmetic surgeries and enhancements readily available, do you think that it is fair for ladies joining beauty pageants to go under the knife? I will repeat, or that will be your question.
Me personally, I believe that it's not a necessity because I am standing here in front of you right now, all natural, nothing changed, and I believe that I want to push through pageantry, staying the same way when I entered pageantry because I don't have to change anything. My mother always taught me that I am beautiful the way I am, and that is the truth. And if you want to go under cosmetic surgery, then that is under your choice. Just as long as, remember, you're doing this for yourself. You're not doing this to...
Thank you very much. Candidate number 3. All right. Moving on to our next semi-finalist. Let's look at the LED wall. Candidate number 9. All right. How are you feeling tonight, candidate number 9?
I'm feeling a little bit anxious, but at the same time, I'm really excited.
All right, awesome to hear that. Let's go draw a paper question. All right, I can read that for you. Oh, that's not it? No. There we go. All right, candidate number 9, this is going to be your question. Do you believe that Bicol is the best place to come to when traveling to the Philippines? If so, why?
I believe that it is already a known fact that Bicol is home to a lot of hidden paradises just waiting to be explored, discovered, and found. And I also believe that more than the imposing landscapes, the beaches, and the mountains, we are rich in culture, heritage, origins, tourism, and our roots. And of course, our delicacies. So that is why Bicol is the best place to go home to when you're in the Philippines.
Thank you for that very strong answer. Candidate number 9, you can now head back to the position. Thank you very much. Our next finalist will be shown in the LED wall. Candidate number 8. Hi, candidate number 8. How are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling so happy to see all these people in the crowd and also to my supporters. Hi there.
Hello to our supporters. All right. Are you ready to draw a question? All right. Here is your question. In sports, for the sake of inclusivity and diversity, trans women are now allowed to join the women's category and compete with biologically born women. What is your opinion on this matter?
I am all for inclusivity and diversity. However, I believe that trans women should not compete against naturally born females because they are still biologically male and their builds are different than women. I believe that it will be an unfair competition. However, we can always open doors for the LGBT community to have their own grounds and to present themselves in their own ways. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 8. Candidate number 17. How's it going, candidate number 17?
I'm feeling good and enjoying the show tonight.
All right, are we ready for our question? You can now draw from that raffle. All right. Candidate number 17, here is your question. What is the best advice your mother has given you, and how did it affect you as a person?
Thank you. The best advice that my mother has given me is to never let anyone tell me that I cannot do something. As long as I love what I'm doing, then I should go for it. Before joining Miss Bicolandia, I joined 2 big pageants where I lost. And a lot of people have been telling me that this is not for me. But I always carry with me the words that my mother has told me, that I can do something, I can do everything that I wanted to do, as long that I...
Oh my God, microphone.
Hello. Maraming salamat, candidate number 17. Hi, candidate number 6. How are you feeling, candidate number 6?
Good evening, Bicolandia. I am really feeling great and happy right now.
Awesome. All right. Let's make a draw. Here is your question. With all the issues in our country that we see online or in the news, may it be political or otherwise, do you think that Filipinos are still worth dying for?
Circulating online are harmful and negative news about Filipinos, may it be political, economical, and socio-economic. I believe that there are still reasons left why Filipinos are worth dying for, and that could be our hardworking farmers, our teachers, and the unsung professionals of their own fields. I really believe that humanity is still alive and there will always be a reason why we should fight for the Philippines, for the Filipinos. Good evening.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 6. Up next is candidate number 2. How are you feeling today, candidate number 2?
I'm feeling great. How about you?
I'm feeling fantastic, and I'm so happy to be here in Bicol! All right, are you ready for your question? All right, you may now draw. Candidate number 2, here is your question. Who has made the biggest impact in your life and why?
It will always be my parents. With me, growing up, I cement myself with the right principles and equip myself with the right knowledge. And with that, I eradicate toxicity in my culture. And now, I am here standing in front of you. This is Isandra, a Camnorteña, a Bicolana, and a woman. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2. Up next is candidate number 1. Candidate number 1, how are you feeling tonight?
Good evening, everyone. I am feeling ecstatic to be standing right here in front of you.
Awesome, all right. And you could draw from our little raffle over there. Thank you very much. All right. Candidate number 1, here is your question. If you would be given the chance to have dinner with anyone, who would it be? And what topics will you be discussing?
If I were given the chance to have dinner with anyone that I please, it would of course be the world leaders of the Philippines, as I would like to discuss to them one of the most alarming societal issues in our society right now, which is empowering the abused women and children of our society. As a daughter of 2 lawyers, I have seen the overwhelming cases of these alarming VAUSI and child abuse cases, and it is high time for us to take action and put a stop.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. Up next is candidate number 10. Hi, candidate number 10. Are you feeling ready?
Yes, I am ready. Thank you.
All right, you can draw from that. Candidate number 10, here is your question. With social media being more accessible to most of us these days, would you say that it is a good thing or a bad thing, and why?
I believe that we live in a technological era and that technological advancements are happening on a day-to-day basis. And we as millennials, we are making use of this technology, and not just as millennials, but of all people. And it is right, or it is depending on the user, on how he or she will use this technology, whether it would be for good or bad. It is all a matter of usage. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 10. Up next is candidate number 15. Hi, candidate number 15, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. Thank you so much for the crowd. You really put my spirits up.
All right, you may draw. Here is your question. Do you think that divorce should be legalized in the Philippines, and why?
Good evening, everyone. I actually come from a broken family, and I do not think that our divorce bill is ready yet. We must make sure that we safe keep our children, and we must always, always put our safety first at all times. That's why we should draft a great bill that when we have divorce, we can protect the people involved in divorce. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 15. Up next is candidate number 12. All right, hi candidate number 12. How are you feeling tonight?
Well, I'm good, but to be really honest, I've been suffering dry cough lately, so this isn't my normal voice, but I'm good. I'm doing great.
Happy to see you're trying and doing your best here. All right. Here is your question. How important is mental health awareness for you, and why?
With the rising cases of depression and suicide here in the Philippines, I think it is time for us to value and to raise awareness about mental health. Mental health is as important as physical health. We have to take care of our mind in order for us to function daily. And for us human beings, we have to be compassionate enough. We have to be kind enough towards every people that we encounter, because we never know that this person's suffer from something. So be kind enough, be compassionate enough, because at some point you're
Thank you very much, candidate number 12. All right, congratulations for a job well done, and thank you for the rest of the ladies. All right. Are you guys ready for the 10? For the speeches of our ladies? Here we go.
I grew up in a family where timidity and silence was highly expected of a woman, often being scolded of my provocativeness and the aggression in my voice when I speak. However, I'd like to set an example to every little girl to keep the fire in their bellies burning, that when they see me, they see a reflection of themselves standing up as intellectual and independent beings. That would be all. Thank you.
Tonight, I celebrate myself as a young woman entrepreneur, as well as those dreamers that became doers, those hustlers that became leaders, those coins that became millions, and those failures that became victories. Every time you spend your money, spend it on the talents and artistry of our local artisans. Because when you support a local small business, you support a vision and a dream. Thank you.
In a world that distinguishes convoluted interplay of identities and discrimination, embracing diversity through the perspective of intersectionality is a necessary pursuit. This fosters a community that thrives to promote diversity of human experiences, that one day we will foster a community where everyone will be accepted and everyone will be celebrated, and thank you.
As someone raised with virtue of true passion, who seeks to reach out for people, working with different groups from Albay and Masbate has allowed me to see beyond the surface. Working with them allowed me to create safe spaces for our children and women. Thank you.
At 15, everything I hoped for was stripped off my life. Coming from a broken home is heartbreaking, but I knew that life doesn't stop there, and I knew that I deserved a future, so I bet on myself. From 15, now 22, fended for myself, sent myself to college, and now on my last year, met people and worked with organizations that helped me. With that, I wanted to be a representation that we do not look like our journey at all. For the path may be dark and ugly, but life as a whole is still beautiful. Standing here tonight despite every negativity I have faced throughout my journey. But I come here as a representation of leadership. I am the founder of Tahanan Hindi Lansangan that focuses on the empowerment of children to be relentless in pursuing their aspirations in life. With the power of the Miss Bicolandi crown, this will be my lifelong commitment. And I believe we are now ready for a Come Norteña queen that has beauty from the heart.
Crowns are not just for the head, but it is for our shoulders. And I believe that I can shoulder the responsibilities of a true empowered queen, as I can forge harmony, leadership, and visions to inspire talents, as I am the catalyst of all the good intentions of our mothers. I am the epitome of the perseverance and strength of the youth, and I am a believer of Ina. With the strength of a true Oragon, I can say that I can be your next Miss Bicolandia.
One thing that is common for us Bicolanos is our stories. Our stories of faith and devotion that binds us together as one. Our narrative of hard works and perseverance in pursuit of progress, and our marks of compassion that radiates in every Bicolano heart across the world. Let our stories shine above all without limits,